Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. You got another freshwater engine here for sale today. This one is a 1997 Johnson 115. This is a 20-inch two-stroke. This one came back at 130 PSI on all 4 cylinders. The lower unit has been completely resealed. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it and a good used control box. Let's see here, new water pump, new spark plugs, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and the fuel system has been cleaned. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. Pumping good water. This is a two-stroke. It is going to smoke. More or less, when you first fire them up, they smoke really bad. Go ahead and put this one in forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great 4th of July weekend.